Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this OnePlus 10 Pro smartphone, and in this video I would like to share the top 5 camera tips for it. So let's go ahead and start. The first of it is a very common tip. This smartphone allows you to enable the grid lines, but not only that, it also presents you with some grid line options. So for example, the standard grid line will look just like that. As you can see, just a rectangular shape. There is also another grid line type, the diagonal lines, which will look just like this. As you can see. Or it is also the third and the last type of grid line that this one has to offer. It's the, as you can see, it's golden spiral. And it will look just like this. So all the grid line options can be accessed by tapping on this 3 button right here, then going for settings, and here just look for the grid and guides. So that was it for the first tip. The next tip is the fact that you can either turn on or turn off the shutter button. So once you take a photo or start filming a video, you can see this clicking sound, and in case you wanted to turn it off or maybe turn it on respectively, you gotta go to the settings again, tap on those 3 buttons, go to settings, and here just turn on or turn on the shutter sound switch. Alright, so moving on to the next tip, which is going to be how you can film an 8K video with this device. In order to do that, just go to the video mode, and in the video mode here you see this icon, the second icon from the top if you're holding the phone horizontally, or if you're holding the phone in the portrait mode, it's going to be, let me show you real quick, it's going to be the second icon from the right. So once you enter this menu, you are able to edit the resolution of the video that you are going to film. As we can see, we are presented with 720p, 1080p, 4K and 8K. In order to enable 8K video, just tap on 8K icon, and as you can see, the resolution has been successfully changed to 8000. And once we'll open up the video file, we will clearly able to see, we'll be able to clearly see the fact that the video is in 8K indeed. I'll just get it back to 1080p. Alright, so let me go ahead and move on to the next tip. In order to access the next tip, you gotta go for the more mode, and here choose this 150 degrees feature. As you can see, this feature allows us to take photos at a very wide angle, or even lets us to make the fisheye alike photos. So it's a very useful tip once you want to take a picture of a very wide amount of space, so you just go ahead and use it. And the last tip that I wanted to show in this video is how you can reassign or should I say enable or disable this little function, which allows you by tapping and swiping top on the preview of the gallery. It allows us to choose either to edit the photo from here. You can make all sorts of edits up to the cases that the phone allows us to, and we can also access the quick share function as well, as you can see, and send the photo basically instantly anywhere we want. So that was it for this video. As I said, in front of me I had this OnePlus 10 Pro smartphone. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.